that was set up 10 years ago but abandoned, just equipment dumped. So that is why we are here. Na nimefurahi, nimepata viongozi ambao wameandamana na mimi ili kuja kuona, and they have promised us that they will revive this facility and it will be up and operational in the near future. Not maybe by June, July, tutakuwa na hii factory running. Korokora itakuwa ina produce maziwa. We have enough milk in this area, this catchment area. Tuko na mashamba na tuta support pia the farmers of this area with improved breeds ya kuproduce maziwa zaidi na maziwa ngamia as well. Ya ng'ombe na as well ngamia. So watu ya Korokora, I'm sure they're happy. Today Thirikari imefika hapa, PS wa livestock amefika to the lowest village, na inaonesha kwamba the thinking ya our president and the Kenya government agenda is to uplift the lowest of the low in the society. Na pesa itakuwa mfukoni very soon kwa hii village ya Korokora. Wacha tuamushe, and we'll definitely make sure that it works to the interest of this community. Yeah. Garissa brings in almost 30,000 liters of milk every day, fresh milk from Nairobi. Every day 30,000 liters inaingianga Garissa town. So if we can even do 10,000 here, so unaona market iko. And we also want to ensure that it's not for only Garissa town or Garissa county. We have Wajir, we have part of the refugee camps here, we have Tana River here. All these counties will make sure this maziwa inatoka inapelekwa kwa hizo areas.